tell the committee sino po ang editor ng children's book na ito?
The name of the editor of the book is Raul Manuel. It's a joke, ma'am. You strike it out of the record if you want. I request that the questions, Madam Chair, be related to the subject of the budget hearing, which is the OVP 2025 budget proposal. According to Kate and Ida, the former secretary of the CPP-NPA's Sub-Regional Committee 5, revealing concerning associations of Representative Raul Manuel with the NPA units in Southern Mindanao, alleging that he visited.
Madam Chair,